Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make homemade whipped cream. Yeah, man, I ate. So for those special desserts, anything sweet treats, your fruits, can whip up your very own whipped cream. No longer have to deal with a watery bottle of whipped cream after the first use. You know what I say? And not only your fruits and all these things. A lot of people may tend to use it romantically still. You know that video will help a few people, but probably you are going to dislike this video at the end when you realize that I didn't show you how to put it in a can and spray the thing. But regardless, I'm going to be showing you how to make this. All you have to do is get a spoon and splat it onto the surface and enjoy. Thumbs up if you don't like the little foolishness. So forward, show you how. Go on. Okay, so to start the whipped cream, it's quite simple. The first thing you need, whipping cream. Ensure that it's 35% because that has more fat content in it. Do not use box milk, 2%, 5%. It will not work. So I'm going to give you a specific measurement. However, you can tweak this with the amount of sugar depending on your tolerance for sweetness. So I'm going in with 6 ounces of the whipping cream. And to that I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar, and ensure that you sift this, right? So confectioner's sugar, otherwise known as icing sugar, right? So I'm giving you the measurement that I'm using for my recipe, but you can use less or more sugar depending on how sweet you want your whipped cream to be. I'm gonna go in with literally a sprinkle of salt and a drop of vanilla. For the vanilla, this is optional, but it just gives it a nice flavor. And honestly people, that is it for the ingredients. Now for the critical part, and that's the whisking. As soon as you see it form that nice stiff peak, so literally within a minute we're going to turn this off. You're going to gradually increase the speed just to prevent the splashing and everything of the sugar, right? And I'm going to put this on my whipping cream selection. My mixer come with all these gauges. However, if yours doesn't and it has like 1, 2 and 3, you can select that as well. Right down the sides. You go before this starts to thick up. I can smell it already. Now I can increase my speed on the whipped selection. Okay, so you realize now how thick that's becoming. So we're just about 30 seconds away from getting the perfect whipped cream. There, and we're gonna stop it right there. If you go 5 seconds over, it's gonna curdle. Look at that beautiful whipped cream. Just gonna put it in a piping bag and show you what it looks like if it were to be in a can. So forward, show you how I go on. Perfect whipped cream. Gonna get the remainder and put it right in an airtight container. This can be refrigerated up to a week or more. And there you have it, homemade whipped cream, made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself. But know you're fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.